Kung nahirapan kang ibenta ang produkto mo kahit nagbaba ka na ng presyo, ito yung sagot. Now, most likely, there are two types of products that you might be selling. You can be selling a vitamins and a pain reliever. Okay? So, here's my question. Ano yung difference? Ngayon, just imagine at 3 a.m., alas 3 ng umaga na madaling araw, ano ba yung most likely na the chance that you're gonna go to a pharmacy? Okay? A, are you most likely gonna go to a pharmacy because you forgot to take your vitamins? Or are you most likely going to go to the pharmacy because sumakit yung ulo mo and you need a pain reliever? Okay? So, ano ba yung gagawin mo? What's a product that you're most likely to buy? Most likely, itong pain reliever. Tama? Now, what's my point? Most of business owners just think of, oh, I'm gonna be selling something. Just for the sake lang, nakita lang nila, oy, binibenta ng ibang tao, kumikita sila, sige, benta rin ako ng ganyan. Pero hindi nila alam, and the reason why they're struggling, it's because of what they're selling, no? You might be selling a vitamins, but what people really buys and willing to pay for are pain relievers. I want you to understand that there's only two reasons why people buy something. It's either number one, they want to move away from pain, umaalis sila sa pain, or number two, they want to move towards pleasure, right? Lahat ng binibili mo, bakit ka ba nagpapamassage? Possible, masakit yung likod mo, you want to move away from pain. Bakit ka ba nagpapagupit? Because probably you want to look good and you want to move towards pleasure, right? So, the lesson that I want to share with you is, the more clear siya na kung ano yung problem na sinusolve niya, and the more painful the problem that it solves, the higher that you can charge, and the more people are not gonna negotiate your prices. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content about business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.